Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share some helpful tips to increase your chances of getting a KYC slot and what to do once you have submitted your KYC application. Tip number 1. Be active. Every 24 hours Pi reminds us to mine. It literally takes just 5 seconds to tap the mine icon. This shows the system you are an active and engaged user, which can help with KYC eligibility. Tip number 2. Update your credentials. Make sure your name, email address, and phone number are all up to date. From the Pi homepage, go to the profile section. So updating your info also helps protect you from scammers. And if you ever forget your password, this info is key for two-factor authentication and account recovery. Tip number 3. Invite new members. Yes, inviting others to join Pi can help improve your chances of getting a KYC slot. When you build your mining team, you increase your trust score in the Pi ecosystem. The system favors users who actively contribute to the network's growth. You can also grab the link from your profile page. Just click this icon. So after completing those steps, you'll be prepared to go through the Mainnet checklist inside the Pi app. If you receive a KYC invitation, do this immediately. So open the Pi browser and go to the Pi KYC app. Make sure your ID is valid, clear, and not expired. During the video or selfie check, use good lighting. Hold your ID close and clearly. Make sure both your face and ID details are visible. This is crucial to avoid getting rejected or asked to resubmit. This is not an official announcement by the Pi core team, but these tips are based on real experiences shared by many pioneers who successfully completed KYC and migrated to Mainnet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your Pi mining team. And of course, subscribe for more Pi network tips and updates.